Imagine arriving in a place where rolling emerald hills seem to stretch into eternity, where every breeze feels like a soft whisper from the past, and where the landscape carries a quiet, poetic power that instantly slows your heartbeat. Yorkshire isn't just a region, it's an emotion, a breathtaking blend of wild beauty and warm charm that wraps around you like a comforting embrace. From the moment you step into its wide-open moors, there's a sense of freedom that feels almost unreal, as if the world has suddenly expanded just for you. The rugged cliffs, the ancient stone cottages, the winding paths through heather-covered hills, all of it creates a scenery so soothing, it's like nature is painting with its calmest colors. Villages here feel timeless, with cozy tea rooms, friendly faces, and the kind of peaceful silence that fills the soul instead of emptying it. In the countryside, every sunrise feels like a gentle promise, and every sunset glows with a soft, amber magic. Exploring Yorkshire is like stepping into a beautifully written story, one full of misty mornings, dramatic landscapes, and moments of pure tranquility. It's a place that doesn't just impress your eyes, it deeply comforts your spirit.